Calm sea sigh, a lullaby in the night. Pirate ship sways in the silver light. Bass drum thudding with a steady beat. Echoes of twilight where sky and water meet. We cry as the sails unfurl wide. The depths know the secrets they hide. The sun god above shakes the tide. We sail till the storm collides. Lanterns glow and a creaking hull hum. Time beats faster as the sunrise drums. Stardust spins as the crew takes flight. Windborne spirits chasing morning light. We cry as the sails unfurl wide. The depths know the secrets they hide. The sun god above shakes the tide. We sail till the storm collides. Shadows play in the break of the sun's grin. Whispers of gods in the salt-soaked wind. Life in the mast ropes with fire we bind. Each stroke pulling us to the divine. Speed now a prayer as we ride sunrise waves, offering nothing but sailors' resolve brave. Sun god beckons with a lick of gold. This journey is forever brash and bold.